What's up, guys? In this video, we're going to be baking a true pound cake. Let's go!
This is the JDC Show.
Hey guys, this is our first time eating. This is Giant Pikachu.
Pikachu.
And I am Joseph. I asked my mom if we could bake a pound cake, and I found the perfect recipe. So let's get baking. Here are the ingredients: sifted powdered sugar, all-purpose flour, softened butter, vanilla extract, and eggs. In a large mixing bowl, beat the softened butter on high speed until light and fluffy. Gradually add sifted powdered sugar and continue mixing for about 5 minutes. Add the eggs one at a time and beat briefly but well. Guys, if you want to see more baking videos like this one, then consider subscribing. Could you also do us a small favor and share this video with your friends? Thanks, it really helps a lot. Oh, and also, stay tuned to the end of this video to see what I add to make this cake special. Thanks, guys. After all the eggs have been mixed in, gradually add the flour, beating briefly but well. Scrape the sides to make sure everything is mixed in. Add the flavoring, beat just until incorporated. Grease and flour the pan, making sure you don't leave any lumps of flour in the corners. Spoon the mixture evenly into the prepared pan. Level the top gently with a spoon. Place cake on the middle rack of a cold oven. Bake at 275 degrees for 2 hours or until done. Remove the pan from the oven and let it cool on a wire rack for 30 minutes. Once cooled, carefully flip over the pan and remove the cake. Here's how we're going to make our cake extra special. We have some leftover ganache from a previous cake we made. So we're going to drizzle that ganache over our true pound cake. Time to enjoy my true pound cake with chocolate ganache. Mmm. Thanks for watching. As always, leave a like, consider subscribing, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye! Pikachu, use Thunderbolt! Yeah. Sorry, Pikachu.
Pikachu. Pikachu.